Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. MiniMax M2 just released their new coding plan and they have compared their coding plan with the Claude Code, and as you all know that till 7 November their coding plan was free, but now they are charging, and the new plan is also very feasible to us because they are giving the more usage credit limit than the Claude Code, and the pricing is also very less. And also they have the pay as you go API service, means you can use the API endpoint, and also the input and output pricing very less than the Claude Code, you can say 8% less. And also from this benchmark comparison you can see that this model is giving the best performance than other frontier models. Like we are always interested for the GLM 4.6 coding plan, but now from this benchmark you can see that this MiniMax M2 is beating this GLM 4.6 everywhere in every benchmark. Okay, and also it is giving the almost same kind of performance than the Anthropic Claude Sonnet 4.5, and obviously this model is better than the Gemini 2.5 Pro. So that's why you should try this model, and I am not promoting this product. I just found this MiniMax M2 helpful, that's why I am sharing this with you. And if you go to our channel and in this search option if you just write MiniMax and hit enter, and here you see that I just made two videos. One is the MiniMax M2 review and another one is the MiniMax M2 and Claude Code setup. So please watch this video, MiniMax M2 and Claude Code setup. You will understand that how to do the setup, and after the setup is done you can go with this two options. One is the MiniMax M2 API pricing, another one is the MiniMax M2 coding plan. So if you just go to this MiniMax M2 API pricing, then you will be able to use the pay as you go service. So in this pay as you go, here you see that they are charging $0.3 for the 1 million input token and $1.2 for the 1 million output token. Whereas if you compare this with the Claude, there you will see that Claude Sonnet 4.5 is charging $3 and $15 for the input and output token, right? Means MiniMax M2 API pricing is 8% of Claude Sonnet 4.5. Also they have the cache hid option like the Anthropic Claude, and the performance here you see that default 500 rpm and 20 million token per minute for paid users. And if you need higher concurrency, please contact them directly, and their API already supports the cache feature by the via Anthropic API and will be fully roll out over the next few days. And in that video of this Claude Core and MiniMax M2 setup, I have shown you that how to do the setup with the Anthropic endpoint of MiniMax M2. So please watch that video. And here you see that this is their pricing plan. This is the full chart. Please take a screenshot, you will get the understanding of how they are charging, the gist summary. Okay, means they have just written here that the 10% of Claude Sonnet 4.5 price, you will get the advantage of the premium model. Okay, and next one is the coding plan. This is specifically for the coding, and they have just released these three tier. One is the starter, another one is the pro, another one is the max. Starter is $10 per month, pro is the $20 per month, and max is the $50 per month. Now in case of Claude Code, here you see that they have also three plan. One is the pro, max 5x, max 20x. Now they have taken this max 5x and max 20x, and means MiniMax is comparing their plan with the max 5x and max 20x. So their starter plan is equivalent to Claude Code max 5x, but if you see that in case of max 5x they are charging this $100 per month, but in case of MiniMax, which is equivalent to Claude Code max 5x, they are charging only $10 per month, means the price is very less. And also their pro plan and max plan is equivalent to Claude Code max 20x, and the Claude Code max 20x plan is $200, but they are charging only $20 and $50. Now for this $20 and $50 the usage limit is there. Here you see for this $20 per month you will get 1.5x the usage limit, and for this $50 per month you will get the 5x usage limit. And for this first one, this is the starter plan, for this $10 per month you will get the up to 2x usage limit, and here you see that it is also 10% of the price of Claude Code. Okay, so this is very best model, and they are launching this plan on the November 10. Here you see that they have mentioned. So please take a screenshot of this and please do the setup by watching this video. Okay, and please try it. Please give a try, and I think that you will get the best output from this model. And so this is the thing. And also, if you want to use the MiniMax M2 endpoint anywhere from the open router, you will get that. And their pricing may vary here because there are multiple providers of this MiniMax, like Shoots is providing, Atlas Cloud is providing. So they are actually routing to the best provider when the down according to the downtime. Okay. So this is a thing that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope that this detailed explanation, this video will be helpful for you to take the decision. And if you face any problem, just let me know in the comment section. I will give you the answer. Okay. So please make sure you subscribe this channel, like this video, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.